Okay, this one. First, I want to ask you about last lesson. Okay. I click this one. What class is this? Wow, so sorry.
Andromeda, sir.
Andromeda. Okay, Andromeda class. Okay, students. Adelio. Adelio, do you still remember what about we have studied last week?
Yes, sir. About drop cap, sir.
About drop cap. Yeah, about drop cap. Okay. About drop cap. And the other, yang lain selain about drop cap. Okay. We studied, yeah, wait. Stephen. Have Stephen here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Stephen. Adelio just now said about drop cap. Beside it, selain itu, kita punya two learning objective. Drop cap and one more, what about? Stephen?
I forget, sir.
Forget. Okay, Stanley, raise hand. Stanley, please, Stanley.
Tap stop, sir.
About tap stop. Okay, tap stop. Stanley. Yeah, Stanley. Tap stop. Okay. Drop cap. Who can explain what is drop cap? No one? Okay. I give the question again. Recha, how many type tap stop? Recha.
4, sir.
4 times. Okay, Recha, 4 times. Okay, students. Stanley, tell me one of types. Tell me one types of tap stop. Recha say have 4. Tell me one.
Left.
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 Okay, left. The next, Febrian. Selain left, apa lagi?
Yes, sir.
Febrian first. Febrian. Stanley say just now left. What again? Have 4. 3 more. Tell me one.
Sir, me.
No, Febrian first.
Tony, sir, I know.
I count until 5. 1.
Me.
2. 3. Okay, Febrian, forget it. Okay. Hero first. Hero.
Right, sir. Right.
Right. Okay, then number 3, Adelio.
Center, sir. Center.
Center. Donis, number 4.
Decimal, sir.
Okay. Adelio. Hero. Donis, ya. Donis. And then hero. Okay, student, that's about last lesson, yeah. Last lesson, we have studied about drop cap and tap stop. Okay, now you continue our lesson. I want to share the screen. Focus on your screen, students. Okay, today we will study about column. Yeah, column, this one. And increase and decrease indentation. Yeah, column, increase and decrease indentation. Okay, students, how to make column? We will study about this. Yeah, look at column. You know column ya, kid? This is column, example of column in Microsoft Word. Okay, Saptiani, do you know how many column in this page? You can see the text.
Two ya, sir.
Huh?
Two.
Two column. Yeah, two column ya. Okay, two column. Okay, Saptiani. Okay, we have two columns. So this is column ya, kid. This is the name column. Ini namanya column, kid. This one column, and this is column number 2. And same in page also. This one, page 1, have two column. Yeah. Later, kid, we must know how to make this one. Bagaimana cara membuat kolom in Microsoft Word. Yeah. Okay, prepare your laptop and your computer if you have it.
Sir, your screen macet-macet gitu, sir. Please.
Oh yes.
No,
How about
sir.
the other? Macet-macet?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Okay, maybe some students have bad connection, yeah. But I think from the morning until now, I think no have bad connection. How about now, Cantika? Sekarang Cantika?
Kayak miring-miring gitu dia, sir.
Okay, what sound is that? Suara apa itu?
Enggak tahu.
Okay, coba mudah-mudahan nanti we have good connection ya, bisa lebih bagus. Okay, now this one, students, how to make column in Microsoft Word. Yeah, this is the step. The first, select page layout, and then page setup and columns. Ya, kid, columns. Yeah. So you must have text first. Jadi harus punya teks dulu, kid. You must have text. Ya, the example this one. This is example ya, kid. Contohnya nih the text, and then you select ya page layout. This one page layout. Okay, and here have column in page setup group. Ya, ini group ya. Have column here, and then click small arrow. Ya, drop down list. This is drop down list. So you can see here. Have option, kid. This is 1, 2, 3, left, right. And you can click also this one, more columns. If you want to set untuk mengatur kolomnya lebih bagus, ya, you can choose more column. But if you don't want to set untuk mengaturnya, kamu hanya pilih langsung 2 kolom di example, boleh, atau 3, ya. But if you want to make the line between column, you must click this one. Kalau mau dibuat garis di antara kedua kolom itu, seperti ini, kid. Nah, ini kan garisnya, kid. Ya, you have to make a choose the more column. This one, columns. Okay, the next step for choosing more column style, ya, makanya tadi dibilang more columns. Pilih yang more column kalau untuk mau memilih gaya yang lain, style. In the preset section, ya, have desired number column. Ya, presetnya itu, kid, ada pilihannya, kid. How many column you want? Ya, to give equal width between column, untuk membuat atau memberikan luas, ya, atau jarak yang lebih luas di antara kolom itu, you can set, kamu bisa diatur di equal column width. Ya, equal column width. Checkbox in the width and spacing section. Okay. In apply to drop down list, this point forward option. Ya, ini, kid, fungsinya, kid. What the function? The function is you won't make aturan itu, kamu mau buat di semua in whole document, di semua dokumen, or this point forward, atau hanya bagian ini saja dan selanjutnya, or this section selected text. Nanti ada selected text kalau kita select text-nya. Ya. Jadi ini apply to. Okay, if line between, this is this is I said just now, yang saya katakan tadi, ya this one, ya line between this one, ya itu kita set, kita atur di situ ya, in here, ya this one, line between, ya select tick, ya, and then click OK. You can see this kit, look at this kit, this is dialog box, inilah kotak dialognya kalau kita klik more column, ya preset. Presetnya have option 1 di sini. Ya, look at this. This is blue line. Karena dia blue maka dia di sini 1. If you choose this. But if you choose this, so in here 2. Ya, if you choose this one, in here 3. Ya, jadi according to preset ya, yang di preset ini kit. Oke. And if you want to make the line between column, you checklist this one. Kamu checklist yang ini, Kit, kalau mau buat line. Ya, this is width-nya. Ini adalah jarak antara satu kolom dengan kolom yang lain. Kamu atur di sini, Kit. Ya. And then apply to this one, apply to ya full document. Semua dokumen akan membuat kolom. But if you click this one, ya, kamu klik this, have option again. Ya, point this point forward, berarti nanti yang berlaku hanya untuk point ini dan ke depannya. Or if we select the text, maka di sini have option selected text. Ya, later we directly practice ya, Kit. Okay, now how to increase and decrease indentation. Indentation itu what? Apa indentation, Kit? Ya, indentation is like this, Kit. This one. Ya. How to make it? Place your cursor at the place where you wish to increase indentation. Ya, letakkan kursor kamu di mana kamu ingin buat increase indentation. Klik on home tab paragraph group increase indentation. Ya, simbolnya seperti ini, Kit. Have like this. You can see this one. Ini mengarah to the right, mengarah ke kanan ya, Kit. Ya. Example this, Kit. Last meal. And you won't make like this, kamu buat seperti ini, Kit, dia kan masuk lebih ke kanan, lebih ke dalam dia, Kit. So you must put your cursor here and then click this one, ya, increase indents. Ya. Now decrease. How to decrease? Ini lawannya, Kit. Look at here. Just now you see to the right side, ya, and this is to the left side. Ini lawannya. So if you want to make this one, ya. Back to in here, kembali kemari. So you click here, your cursor put here, and then click this one. Maka dia akan kembali lurus seperti ini. Dia akan kembali kemari. Okay, that about how to increase and decrease indentation. Okay, student. Now we directly practice. Oh ya, this is review. Okay, student. Later you get handbooks ya, Kit. Handbooknya nanti you get on Friday ya. Review di situ semua, ada di situ semua from the first meeting, dari pertama kali pertemuan kita. Nanti dibuat di handbooks ya. Di situ akan dibagikan on Friday ya, Kit.
Sir, handbooknya itu yang kayak fotokopi kemarin.
Yes, tapi itu sir yang type di situ only the important text, yang penting-penting saja. Like this one, seperti ini ya, Kit. Like this one. Oke. Okay. Dan PDF-nya also have ya, PDF-nya juga ada, Kit. Oke, okay, to student Hero, you raise hand. What do you want to say something, Hero? Okay. Okay, students, we go directly to Microsoft Word. Yeah. Please open your Microsoft Word. Student, I open my Microsoft Word. Yeah. Minimizekan.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah.
Febrian don't have computer or laptop, sir.
Okay, it's okay, Febrian. Just watch your screen. Yeah, please understand the step how to make column and decrease and increase indentation. Yeah, it is okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay, Febrian, just pay your attention. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, student, this is specially for the student have laptop or computer. Yeah. If you don't have now, it's okay. Later, if you have, you can practice by yourself. Open Microsoft Word. Ya, Kid, I have Word 2013. Saya punya 2013. Ya. Oke. Open please. And after open, ya, kita mau buat seperti ini, Kid. Ya, look at this. Look at this, Kid. Ya. Ini udah ada kolom, Kid. So, saya kembalikan ini, Kid. Saya kembalikan dulu. Ya. Okay, students, this one. Yeah, we make first this. Okay, please, student, if you have laptop, please type this one. Coba ketik ini dulu, Kid. This one. Nanti later we want to make a column. You can see, students. Hero, you can see that. Cantika, you can see.
I can see, sir. Bisa, sir.
Okay, please type. Coba diketik ini short teks ya. Saya yang singkat aja kamu ketik ini.
Di mana, sir?
Microsoft Word, Microsoft Word, di Microsoft Word. Kamu buka Microsoft Word.
Pakai laptop, sir.
Oke, yang tidak, it's okay, just pay your attention. Kita praktekkan nanti cara membuatnya. If you don't have laptop.
My laptop is broken, sir.
Oh, Jessica.
I have laptop, but I don't use it, sir. Lagi habis baterai.
Oke, yang habis baterai. And next time, I hope you please prepare ya. Jadi kalau mau computer subject itu, please prepare ya. Yang pakai baterainya diisi dulu. Atau langsung di charger kan bisa itu ya.
Sir, I punya laptop, sir, tapi punya kakak pun lagi Zoom, sir.
Oh iya, Steviandi. Makanya Steviandi, I record this Zoom. Later I send to group ya. Later if your sister have finished Zoom, you can use your laptop ya, and then practice ya. Praktekkan ya, Kid. Oke, Steviandi?
Yes, sir.
Ya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, student, please follow this one. Type, please. Yeah, please type this text. Later, if you have finished, tell me now. So we want to make a
Sir,
column.
nanti itu kalau udah selesai dikirim ke saya.
No. Just save. Ya, biarin dulu. Later, I want to teach you how to make column. If you can, ya please, you make column. Kalau nggak bisa, wait me. Tunggu, nanti kita kerjakan sama-sama. Later, Cantika, have finished, kalau udah selesai terbuat jadi kolom, I want you, please screenshot or foto, send to my WhatsApp ya. Oke.
Selesai dibuat kolomnya, sir.
Yes.
Oke, sir. Ke hati, sir.
This is the text. Ini teksnya, Kid. Teksnya yang ini, Kid. Ketik di Microsoft Word. Ini teksnya. This one. Stanley, you use handphone or laptop?
Handphone, sir.
Handphone. Okay, if have finished, tell me ya. Kenji, where are you,
Sir.
Kenji? Ya.
Udah siap diketik, Sir.
Okay,
Ada di sini, Sir.
finish. Wait ya. Two student have finished ya.
Sir, ini ketiknya di Microsoft Word HP bisa, Sir?
Oke, coba try aja. Can ya, tapi sulit kamu ngetiknya. But if you want to try ya, please.
Ini sedikit lagi udah mau siap, Sir.
Okay, please. Raihan not join ya, Raihan.
No, Sir.
Raihan never join, I think. Gracia just now join. Where is Gracia?
Rehan dulu sering join, Sir, tapi akhir-akhir ini enggak.
Iya, dulu in grade ini kan, grade 5 kan.
Di grade 6 juga, Sir.
Okay. But I never see Raihan in grade 6. Okay, now we continue ya kid. If you have finished, please prepare yourself and
Sir.
I want to show you ya. Okay, this one ya kid. Have like this ya. Kamu sudah ketik yang ini ya kid. Okay. Now you can block this one. Ya, kita select it. Select it. And then again hit page layout. This one, page layout. And then choose column. Have in here ya kid column.
Yes, Sir.
And then more columns. This one. More columns. Yeah, have like this. Have like this kid. We want to make 2 column, yeah. Choose this one, called 2 column. Okay. So in here, change.
Tadi awalnya apa, Sir? Sorry, tadi I bad connection.
Okay, I repeat. First, you have text like this, ya, Cantika. You block. Ya, Cantika, kamu block. And then choose page layout. And then column.
Already, Sir.
Yeah, more columns. And then we choose 2. Two columns. Yeah, we won't make line in here. Kita mau buat line, garis sedikit. So you check, please this one. Kamu cek this one. Klik.
Dicek please ya, Sir.
Yeah, klik.
Ready, Sir.
Okay, have line here. Yeah, and
Yes,
then
sir.
if you want to make this, kamu mau lebarkan jaraknya, you can click this one. Perhatikan di sini, kid. Pay your attention in here. If I add this one, ya, saya perhatikan. Ya, perhatikan ini, kid. Ya, semakin lebar ya, kid. Semakin lebar ya, kid. Kalau dikurangi semakin kecil, kid. Oke. Dibesarin, semakin lebar, kid. Oke. And you see here, FP2 ini mau diaplikasikan kemana, kid? Ya, karena select the text, maka di sini selected text. Have also here selected section, and here whole document. Dokumen ya, Kid. Dokumennya ini whole dokumen itu semua dokumen akan membuat secara otomatis membuat kolom. Tapi karena kita select ya, selected text aja. Berarti yang terselect aja. Oke, we klik oke. Ya, dekat Kid. Sudah 2 kolom jadinya Kid. Perhatikan Kid. Sudah menjadi 2 kolom. Apa yang berhasil Kid? Have like this? Sudah
Boleh
berhasil?
nggak kami share screen boleh nggak Sir kasih izin kami satu persatu untuk share screen kan dulu, Sir?
Oke, coba kamu share apa? Kamu just screenshot, send to my WhatsApp. I will open in here, WhatsApp. I want to show to your friend. Oke, please. Hero sama semua, the other students.
Oke.
Ya.
Oke, Sir. Let I see. File. Save.
Yeah, if you want to save, can. But if you want to just take photo or screenshot to be faster, supaya lebih cepat, it's okay.
Sir, WhatsApp I di sini ini not responding gitu.
Oh, no respon ya. Oke, letter aja lah, letter ya, Saptiani. Oke, Adelio, like this. Look at Adelio, already sent. Wow, Adelio, this is no, where is the
Nggak tahu, Sir. Kan saya sudah bikin tadi, Sir, tiba-tiba memang tiba-tiba terpindah ininya jadi ke situ.
Ya. Because this is itu kamu ini kan teksnya sedikit. Jadi nanti kalau kamu buat terus enter sampai sini bawah, kamu ketik nanti dia akan di sini, Kid. Dia akan masuk di sini. Di sebelahnya, kolom kedua di sebelahnya. But just now you select ya. Kamu select tadi. Teksnya
Iya,
kamu
Sir,
select.
saya select. What, Sir?
Kamu select tadi. Kamu selected. Kamu select tadi teksnya kan? Dipilih
Iya,
tadi
saya
teksnya.
saya ikutin, Sir, tadi.
Oke, the example like this. I make one ya. Coba saya praktekkan lagi. I make a new. Saya buat yang baru. Ya, this one ya. The example like this. And then page layout, column. Ya, more column. Choose two, make line. And then selected text. Oke. Look at like this, Adelio. Nah, seperti ini seharusnya. Kamu selectnya jangan berlebih, Adelio. Adelio, coba try. Jangan selectnya terlalu lebar gini. Jangan lebih.
Jadi sampai titik aja itu, Sir.
Oke,
Sampai
sampai
titik aja.
ya, jangan berlebih ya. Jangan berlebih.
Ya, Sir.
Oke.
Tunggu ya, Sir. Saya coba lagi.
Oke, wait.
Sir,
Udah,
jadi
Sir.
ini jadi PR, Sir.
No.
Enggak.
No. Ini enggak PR, Kid.
Sir, tadi more column.
More column.
Yes.
Sorry. This is more column. And then
Yes.
choose two. This is two.
Two. Yes, Sir, already.
Line between.
Right between. Okay, Sir, already.
And here selected ya. Selected text.
Selected text. Okay.
Okay.
The
Please
text. The text what? Sir? Selected text or whole document?
selected text.
Okay, already, Sir.
Okay, klik OK.
Okay. Already, Sir.
Can.
Saya foto lagi ya, Sir.
Okay. How about the other students?
Wait for a moment.
Hero, how about you, Hero?
Wait ya, Sir. Wait.
Pina, Maricha, how about you? Gracia. Echa? Cantika? Ya.
Sir, sudah saya kirim kembali.
Okay, I want to see. This one. Already, ya? Have like this. Yeah, have two column, this one and this one. Have line. Yeah, have line ya di antaranya. Berarti ada Leo just now. The first you select, mungkin kamu tadi terseleknya melebihi ya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. The other student, later you can practice directly ya by yourself. We continue to increase and decrease. Ya, this is kid. Ya, this is the example ya. Ini nggak usah dipraktekkan langsung, nggak ada waktunya, nanti nggak cukup. Okay, just pay your attention. Later you can practice directly by yourself ya. Look at the example. I have text like this. Saya punya teks seperti ini, kid. Contoh, example. Okay, I want to make this. Yeah, following are the ingredients required for making chocolate milkshake. Yeah, so I want to make this. Yeah, if you want to move this one to the right side, maka kamu pilih home, this one. Yeah, in here in paragraph group like this. Increase indents. What the function of increase indents? Ya, kamu klik it. But don't forget to put your cursor ya, kid. To put your cursor here. Yang mau diatur, kid. Mau ditambahi indentnya. Oke, klik. Look at that. Dia akan bergeser, kid. But if you want to back, kita kembalikan. Decrease. Oke. If you want to make this one, increase indents, you click this one. Look at that, dia akan masuk ke dalam. Kita klik lagi, masuk ke dalam. Kita klik lagi. Oke. And this one you want to increase also. Ya. Ini berlebih, kid. Example, this one ini kelebihan. I want to decrease. Kamu mau kurangi ke belakang, kid. To the left side. Ya, just click this one. You remember ya, kid, in home tab. Ya,
Di blok dulu itu.
no need di blok, cuman put your cursor, cuman letakkan aja cursor kamu di teks yang mana yang kamu inginkan. Seperti ini, kid. Ya, di blok bisa juga, ya, di blok bisa juga. But tidak di blok pun bisa. Just put your cursor, kemudian kamu ginikan. Oke? Kira-kira itu fungsi daripada increase dan decrease indentation. So if you want to type something text, kamu mengetik teks yang perlu seperti itu, kamu nggak usah bingung how to make, bagaimana untuk memasukkan ke kanan atau mengurangi lebih ke kiri. You can do it by increase and decrease indentation in home menu. Understand, kid? Okay, students. If you... Oh ya, Saptiani.
Jadi yang tadi yang disuruh praktek itu tetap dikirim, Sir.
No need. Ya, tapi sir, I'm so happy if you send it. It mean you understand. Artinya kamu sudah sukses berhasil bisa membuat kolom. But if you cannot send it now, ya it's okay, no problem. Ya, nanti ada project. Kalau project baru wajib kamu kirim filenya ya. Oke? Okay, student, if you have question, please ask me now before I leave this Zoom, because we have 2 minutes more.
No, sir.
No,
Understand,
sir.
ya? Okay, students, I remind you, especially for the student, if you have laptop or computer, but you cannot use it now, you can try later ya. You can try later. Bisa kamu coba nanti ketika laptop itu sudah bisa kamu gunakan atau komputer yang sudah bisa kamu gunakan. Okay, thank you student. Thank you for your attention. Keep healthy, keep spirit. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye-bye, kid.
Bye-bye. Bye.